Okay, we're going to continue with what we were doing last class. Mostly, I'm just going to show you the differences between graphs to display data. Okay, this is a dot plot. Pretty simple. As you can see, there are 0 zeros. There's 1 1. There's 1 2. There's no threes. There's 2 4s. Okay, so 2 4s. There looks like there's 6 5s. So it'd be 5, 5, 5, etc. There'd be 6 of those. And then we just keep listing them off. Okay, so that's a dot plot. Next one, frequency table, same kind of ish thing. You make those tally marks. There are 4 purple Skittles, and then you would write the number 4. There are 7 yellow Skittles, you write the number 7. And remember, once you hit 5, you hit the slash through, and then you move on. So it's in groups of 5. Bar graph and histogram, the differences are not many. Sometimes they're hard to tell the difference. Most of the time, bar graphs won't have a number down here. It'll be, if we're talking about trees, the type of tree, and it'll show how many trees there are. There are 100 oak trees, etc. Histogram will usually have a range of numbers. Okay, so the height of students between 56 and 60 looks like there's 2. The height of students between 61 and 65 inches looks like there's about 23. Okay, there's a general idea of what the difference is between histograms and bar graphs. Okay, there is a video in the slideshow that I recommend you watch that goes into more detail, gives you a little bit more things different about the 2 graphs. We've talked about this before, discrete and continuous. These are discrete graphs. That means it doesn't go on forever. Everything isn't accounted for, like all these spaces in here. Okay, these are just points. Continuous means it's a straight line, so it goes on forever. All of these points on this line are included in the answer. Stem and leaf plots. Okay, the stem is the first number most of the time, especially if we do a 2-digit number. Okay, when you get a little more advanced in stem and leaf plots, there are different ways to organize your data. Okay, you got to kind of play around with what would be the best way. But in this case, with the 2-digit number, the first part is your stem, second part is your leaf. So 1 and 5 means 15. 1 and 6 means 16. Then you jump down to 2. There's a 21. There's 2 23s, right? 23, 23. There's 2 26s, 26, 26. So you have to actually write the repeats here so if we're talking about age, there's 2 26-year-olds, there's 2 23-year-olds. So that's how you do a stem and leaf plot. And that's it. I just wanted to show you the differences in the graphs. And then your classwork, of course, is right here, this slide right here.